today, lesson 1 is the special product. Okay, so special product, okay, so one skill needed in this study is using a pattern. Kaya tinawag na special product because we are following a special pattern or special formula. Our goal in this section is to learn and understand the key concept related to finding the special product. There are special form of algebraic expression whose product are readily seen. These are called special product. There are certain conditions which would make a polynomial special. Okay, so number 1, for the special product, meron tayong the square of a binomial. So meron tayo dito x plus y quantity squared or x plus y times x plus y. Another one, x minus y quantity squared or x minus y times x minus y. Okay, sa special product na to na the square of a binomial, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. Okay, dito sa x plus y, to answer using FOIL method, okay, the first letter F is multiply the first term. So the first term is x times x. Multiply x times x squared. Next, for the outer term, outer meaning x times y, x times y is equals to x, y. Next, for the inner term, y times x, y times x is equals to x, y. For the last term, y times y times y is equals to y squared. So after multiplying using the FOIL method, find the like terms. Find the like term. Okay, so ang like terms natin is x, y plus x, y. So bring down yung x squared plus xy plus xy is equals to 2x y plus y squared. Okay, the answer is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Another one is x minus y quantity squared or x minus y times x minus y. Again, using the FOIL method. Okay, next, x minus y times x minus y. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung kanina, x plus y quantity squared or x plus y. Ngayon, imbis na positive, naging negative. So, x minus y quantity squared or x minus y times x minus y. Using again the FOIL method, first, multiply the first term. So, ang first term is x times x squared. The outer terms, x times y, negative x, y. Next, for the inner term, negative y times x is negative x, y. For the last term, negative y times negative y is positive y squared. Again, look for the like terms. So, ang like terms natin is negative xy minus xy, x squared. Since pareho ng sign, lahat negative, so let's add negative xy plus negative xy. Negative 2xy plus y squared. So, the answer is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Example number 1. X plus 1 quantity squared or x plus 1 times x plus 1. So, kanina, ginamit natin is FOIL method for this kind of example, itong x plus 1 and x plus 1. So, again, gumamit ulit tayo ng FOIL method para dito. Okay, so ang FOIL method, first multiply the first term, x times x squared Next, outer term, x times 1, x. Next, for the inner term, 1 times x, x. For the last term, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So, bring down natin yung x squared, x squared. Yung like term, x plus x, magiging 2x. Bring down 1. So, the answer is x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, what if ang sasagutan natin itong x plus 1 quantity squared? So, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng FOIL method. So, ang gagamitin natin para dyan is yung formula dito sa module na to is first square the first term. To answer this one, kailangan may mga rules. Number 1 or letter A, square the first term, square the first term twice the product of first and last term. Square okay, so x plus 1 quantity squared, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng FOIL method. Unlike dito, x plus 1 times x plus 1, pwede tayong gumamit ng FOIL method. Okay, so dito sa example na to, unang step, square the first term. Okay, so first identify saan yung first at saka last term. Sa given, sa number 1, ito yung first term, ito yung first term, and this is the last term or the second term. Okay, so sa step 1, square the first term. So ang first term natin is x. Okay, square the first term, x squared. Letter B, twice the product of first and second term. Okay, twice the product of first and second term. So, ang ibig sabihin, twice the product of first term, x, and the last term, 1. Okay, next, for the last step, square the last term. So, ang last term natin, or the second term is 1. Okay, square the last. Okay, so x, square the first term, x times x squared, plus 2 times x, 2x times 1, 2x, plus 1 times 1, 1. Okay, the answer is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Kapareho na ginamitan natin ng FOIL method. So, pareho lang sila ng answer. Example number 2. Example number 2, 3x plus y quantity squared. Okay, 3x plus y quantity squared. First step, square the first term. So, okay, before we square the first term, identify what is the first term and what is the last term. So, this is our first term, 3x, and the last term is 4y. So, step 1, square the first term. Okay, square the first term, square. Second step, twice the product of the first and the last term. Okay, twice, ibig sabihin, times 2, twice the product of first term. First term natin is 3x. Yung last term natin is 4y. Okay. Third step, letter C, square the last term. Okay, so square the last term. 4y squared. Okay, next. Let's answer 3 times 3. 3 3 times 3 is equals to, yes, 9. X times x squared. Next, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4 is equals to 24. X times y, x, y. Next, 4 times 4, 16. Correct. Y times y, y squared. Okay, the answer is 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared.